Good morning. Welcome to my Forex market analysis for 8th July. It's Wednesday today. So yesterday I took a long in GU, long I was long here and it hit my stop loss. So it was a really good trade. We tap into FPG, we get a C2, we get a 15-minute change instead of delivery. But price did not decide to go up, so it is what it is. Moving on. Today DXY is just going to the downside and we are into an FPG. But yesterday I was expecting a C3 to the downside, but we did not get. So what I'm expecting is maybe today we can get a C2 and then we can continue going to the downside. And if we just closed above this FPG, then it does not make sense. Then my bias will be bullish, but I need to wait for today's candle to close and then see how it forms. AU is just nothing. Again, no FPG, nothing. So I'm sideways in this. EJ, I talked about this yesterday. If I get a FPG and yesterday's candle closes, then today's candle I can wait for price to come, sweep, and continue going to the upside. We have the setup. Let's look at 4 hour. For 4 hour, we have a bullish FPG and we have a swing point. So if price decides to come here, for now it's just keep going up. But if it decides to come here, tap into it and go up, then I'll be looking for longs. So I'm putting this in long. EU, just choppy price action, does not make any sense. So I'll be waiting. GJ same as EJ. FEG, sweep of yesterday's low, go to the upside. We have a swing point, yes. Do we have a bullish FPG? Here we have bullish FPG. So I will set my alert at bullish FPG starting point. If price comes, taps into bullish FPG, sweeps it and closes back up, I will look for longs. So I'll put it in long. GU, it was supposed to be a C3, but it failed. So now what I'm looking for is price comes to this FPG, we get a C2, C3, and then we continue going to the upside. So until that, it's just a range for me. I want this sweep, tap into FPG, give me a C2, C3, then I can continue trading to the upside. You can, again, just range. I need either close up, either close down. Until then, it's just a range. UCHF, I have no idea. This is a swing point for me. I will call it as a strong swing because we are making lower lows. So if price comes and gives me a C2, C3, I can continue trading to the downside. For now, I don't see any bearish setups. So either it comes here, then I can take a sell, or it gives me something in the future. But for today, there's no setup. UJ same as EJ and GJ. I see a sweep, FEG. We come, sweep, and then go to the upside. It's looking less likely because we already closed that much up. And we have an FPG in 4 hour. We have a sweep, so I will just set an alert here. And taps into FPG, sweeps yesterday's low, gives me a C2, C3 or a 15-minute change instead of delivery. I'll take the longs. And for gold, we have a tiny bit of FPG here. If I get a C2 today, bullish C2, then I will take the C3 tomorrow and then continue trading. Or if I get a bullish C3, so that means a clause above this, then also I can continue going to the upside. Then also I can take a trade. But for today, I have no analysis, I have no setup in this, so I'll be waiting. So I just see JPY pairs giving me same kind of setups. Although today's candle just opened and it's going up, I would rather see the candle go down first, make a wick, and then continue going to the upside. But all these are just going up, and when they'll come down, they'll make a bearish wick. I will be careful. This one already took out the liquidity, so I'll be really careful in UJ if I get a trade here. It has already hit my objective, so for such trades, my objective is I get an entry here, yesterday's sweep, and then we hit this. This is my objective. But if I look at UJ, it did not sweep yesterday's low. It just hit my objective already. So now if price will come back here, it will be more bearish than bullish. So I will remove it. I'm not I'm not gonna consider UJ for today. I'm still open for GJ and EJ because they did not hit the weak swing point yet. So again, if they come back, give me an entry, I can take a trade till here. And here as well, I can take a trade till here. But if they first hit my objective already, which is this weak swing point, then it does not make sense. So I'll be looking for these. I already have an alert. I don't need to open the chart now. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.